Hey, welcome back to this special edition of Couch Potato Cafe. Hey, today we're taking a deep dive into a camera that's making some serious waves online and with me, the SVGO3. Hey, it's an action cam that promises a full suite of features. 4K, waterproofing, dual screens. I love that part for a price that seems almost too good to be true. Now, I've been testing this out to see if it can actually hang with the big boys, the big dogs, or is it just another cheap pretender? Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Got it? Good. This is the SVGO3. Here we go. We have the Svbony SVGO3. It comes with a cage mount, your waterproof case, your 1800 milliamp hour batteries. There's two of those. It does come with its dual charger. So it's kind of nice to have that. Also, just a pant load of mounts. It's your Series Bicycle H mount, all your bases, your omnidirectional, which is nice to have. It comes with a cleaning cloth, some universal straps, the USB-C battery compartment cover. Also, they give you a 128 gigabyte SD card, a main unit clamping. It's a really kind of slick. The new cameras are doing is it's a magnetic with a clip on it, so it's really tight. This does come with a wired microphone, USB-C microphone. You will see a demonstration shortly. It comes with a remote control wrist strap. It's Velcro. It is a neutral remote control button, record and photo. So if you're away from the camera and you just need to turn it on remotely or take a picture remotely, there you go. It does have the USB-A to C charging cables and data cable to your computer and a fine user's manual. But I do like this. Just the feel of it feels good. Feels solid. Feels like a nice camera. You do have replaceable lens, so if you ever crack one, it's nice to have. So now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and go through it, and we'll go through all the functions on it with you and see how well this dude stacks up. Okay, turning this on, just press and hold the on button, and it'll come up like that. It's set at 4K 30 frames per second. Now, you can go in here and you can hit that, go to your image settings, H264, 265, your EV levels, so you can adjust that if you're getting a little bit too dark in your room or too light in your room. Now you got color normal, sharpness normal. You can change all these to soft, strong. I like letting my editing software do this, sharpness and so forth. Your saturation, noise reduction. So you got ISO on auto. You can set that here to whatever you need to. I'm going to leave it on auto. Like I said, we're going to do an out of the box thing. Okay, then if you want to do more customizations, you got your stabilization, your gyro stabilization, your delay record, metering, bit rate. I run a high bit rate myself. Okay, let's go back. Now you can actually hit this up here and it'll go to your, this is your center button right here, and it'll go to your photo. Okay, if you just swipe, you can take it from picture back and forth. Here, these are all your main controls that you can use, and they're self-explanatory, but you can use it through the book. Let's just go in here real quick where you can set up your time, your microphone, built-in mic, or auto. Okay. This is my voice going through at about a foot away, maybe 18 inches, through the Svbony camera without the microphone. Okay, as you can see, it has a little mic emblem up top here. I hope you can see it. Go ahead and turn that on. Now you're listening to my voice through the microphone directly off my lapel. So is this a better sound? Is it something you're looking for? You know, for a vlogger, this really is kind of a nice setup. Having a microphone that you can use, and it does help a lot. But again, with the editing software out there anymore, it really isn't that much of a big deal. um, but yeah, this is with it on. Let's go ahead and, like I said, you can go this way and play it from here. Go and turn that on. Now you're listening to my voice through the microphone. So you see, I am playing it through there. So it is touchscreen. Now, if you want to hold this down, there we go. Like I said, this is really a strong camera. You do have video. You have video lapse. You have slow record. You have still. You have photo interval. Oop, hit it again. Burst mode, that means you hit it and it just bursts a bunch of images. Then we're back to photo, video, or video and plus photo. And then you have car mode. That's your, go like that. You're going to hang it in the car. It's a time-lapse type thing. Coming into here, let's go ahead and go to image settings real quick. Let's go to resolution. Now you have, it can do 60 frames per second at 4K. I don't usually do that. I usually film in 30. I like sometimes going to 60K. You get a lot more information to it. Now you can go to 2K. You're still at 30 and 60. You go to, come on, 1080p. And same with 720p. You get 120 in there now. Okay, stepping up here, we're going to go ahead and do a little driving. I'm holding the 3 cameras outside, and this is what you come up with the Svbony, the Akaso 7, and the GoPro 13. Yeah, the 2 outside ones look pretty good. You can fix the color on the Svbony a little bit better, but right out of the box, the GoPro takes it. Let's do a little walking around and see what we can come up with next. Yeah, the Svbony on the left, it's hanging right in there. I'm liking it even better now. But if you look at this, look at the colors, look at you got a little bit of cropping happening on the Svbony over the GoPro. It goes in and out of light to dark very well. And like I said, this is all out of the box settings for all these cameras. It seems to be like an HDR in Akaso, always kind of vivid colors, which kind of makes it look off. But if you look at the water, it does look pretty good. And the sun shooting through, as you saw, on both outside cameras seemed to be not as bad. But there you go. I think that looks great. Which one do you like? I think these perform pretty good, but if I was going to go for it, this ain't bad. Hey, as you can see from this footage, it is doing a solid job of smoothing out the bumps. It's not quite at that magic carpet level, of a brand new GoPro, but you're paying a fraction of the cost. But it's great for vlogs. It's great for bike rides. The magnetic mount is also incredibly convenient for quickly switching between a selfie stick and a helmet cam and, things like that. So after spending some real time with the Svbony SVGO3, what's my final word? I never really have a final word because it just keeps popping in. On the pro side, the value is just undeniable. you get dual screens, waterproof case, a dual charger with 2 high-capacity batteries, features like the dash cam mode and fisheye correction, add a ton of versatility. Now on the con side, the low light performance is just okay. I mean, it's better actually than some of the earlier GoPros. Yeah, so low light, dark. Now, if you're in a city, it does okay. You know, but I'm not trying to knock this camera, but I want to give you the best expectation of what you're going to get out of it. Now, my final verdict, if you're an aspiring creator, adventurer, or just someone who wants a tough, versatile camera without spending a fortune, and with all the tariffs and stuff out there, you're getting killed, and these prices are going astronomical. This has not. But there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and do me a favor, get it checked out. I do have links in the description and all that. If I have a coupon code or anything like that, I'll put it on there, but I will always try to link to the lowest cost that I can find. And right now, the one that's in the description is the lowest price. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one, and I appreciate your comments and thumbs ups, and make sure you subscribe, because you never know when we might be giving away stuff like this. So I'll talk to you again on the next one. We'll see you.